Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one interesting topic, that is economic reforms that changed India. As a part of economic reforms, the government of India announced a new industrial policy in July 1991, which sought to liberate the industry from licensing system and to drastically reduce the role of public sector and to encourage foreign private participation in industrial development. Let us learn in detail. LPG. What is this? LPG stands for liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Let us learn these three terms one by one. The first one is liberalization. Making anything involves cost, time, and energy put into it. The cost of production is important in the price of good. If the cost of production is high, then the price for the product will be high. Usually, production cost involves the cost of resources and factors that were used to make a good. The producers in India were finding it difficult to produce due to increasing cost. Also, at those high costs, they were still not able to produce quality goods that could compete at a global level. Indian economy was close to outsiders and foreign trade was very low. Import were very costly and export was not possible due to low quality goods. Also, there were a lot of trade barriers. In 1991, due to new industrial policy, the decision to open the economy and allowing foreign investments and to reduce trade barriers was taken. This process is referred to as liberalization. In simple words, liberalization is the reduction in government controls relating to trade and industry. Liberalization in 1991 helped to reduce cost and boost trade. But for some industries who produce medicines or alcohol or cigarette, defense equipments, chemicals, and for explosive industries, license and permissions were not given. But for other industries, it is no more necessary to obtain license to produce goods. The next one, that is privatization. Previously, the government used to own all the companies. This caused a lot of management and administration pressure. It was not able to handle so many customers and functions in different fields. The government is considered to be for the welfare of the people. Thus, people expected low prices which led to loss. Hence, the government followed the process of privatization in order to lessen its burden. As the name suggests, it involves making something private. So, privatization is the transfer of business, industry, or service from public to private ownership and control. For example, the government sold off Air India to become a private airline company now. In simple way, privatization is the process of making a public company into private form. It was done to reduce foreign debt and increase efficiency and revenue of the economy. But some industries like defense, energy, railways, etc., were not privatized because they are welfare services for all. Let us move to the third one, that is globalization. It's simple. One company, multiple nations. Brands like McDonald's, Apple, Coca Cola, etc., are very popular. And brands like Reliance Industries, Tata Motor, Aditya Birla are Indian companies which expanded in foreign countries. Such brands are known as multinational corporations or company, popularly known as MNCs. This helps to build the relations between the countries. In such a way, trade and investment grows. This process of trading in other countries is because of globalization. So, by this we can understand what is globalization. Globalization is nothing but the process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries. Before 1991, trade was under government control. Later, India realized that we need to open our economy. Therefore, MNCs started to come in India and invested to grow their business. Similarly, Indian companies started investing to grow their business in foreign nations. So, there is an exchange of goods and services with foreign companies. More and more goods and services, investments and technology started moving between the countries. And so, globalization started in India. I hope this topic is clear. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.